Hello and welcome back to another video. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to auto sync pictures on TikTok. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial video, so let's get straight into it. Now in order to auto sync videos, you can tap on this plus icon and choose a couple of photos that you want to auto sync, and along with that you need to select a random video. It can be any video, we'll delete it later on. So tap on upload and select that. Now after you selected all these videos, you can tap on advanced editing and now scroll to the right or scroll to the video and simply tap on the video and tap on delete. Now after you have removed the video, your pictures on TikTok will be auto synced. Now you can go ahead and post it to your profile. If you think that this video helped you out, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. You can also turn on the notifications in order to not miss any kinds of new uploads that we make. That's going to be all for today. Thank you for watching.